Quick market analysis for Wednesday, April the 9th. Hi guys, I'm Don. I'm a financial analyst and a trader. In American markets open mixed this morning. That's as US Treasuries sold off, affecting central banks around the world. Then in the afternoon, we had the Trump administration coming out pausing tariffs for 90 days on countries that are talking to them. Otherwise, he hit China with a 125% tariff. And then we had the WTO, the World Trade Organization, coming out saying that trade between the US and China as a result of those tariffs will drop by 80%. And over to European markets where stocks dropped 3%. That's on the back of energy and pharma stocks. We had the European Union approving $20 billion of retaliatory tariffs against the US. And we also had data out showing that the tourism sector is supposed to gain 4.5 million jobs by 2035. And UK stocks closed down almost 3%. That's as we had a revision on growth for the UK down to 0.8 from 1.2%. We also had UK mortgage lenders cutting rates, and we also saw that the government long-term borrowing rates hit a 25-year high. And lastly, Canadian stocks traded down at open. That says the Canadian government issued their retaliatory tariffs on the US, particularly the auto tariffs. We also had the American administration out saying that they would hit Canada with tariffs on softwood lumber starting in the fall. And in closing, markets had the best day that I've ever seen in my 30 years in the markets after Trump paused tariffs for 90 days on the countries that are in talks to negotiate a better trading deal. We've got the S&P 500 up almost 10%, the Dow up almost 8%, and just over 12% for the NASDAQ. We had NVIDIA stock up almost 20%, I think 18 and change, and we had Apple up around 15%. Of course, those companies were severely affected by tariffs, but they still are affected by these Chinese tariffs, but it took a lot of sort of anxiety out of the market there, and like I say, I've never seen stocks roar like this. So what an interesting day it was to follow the markets, and it's likely the rest of the week is into Friday is going to be volatile. We might get a sell-off tomorrow as people sort of take profits here, but let's see what happens going forward.